welcome to room 820, our epic universe bedroom. So we did really quickly throw our stuff in here before, so excuse the bag on the bed. But first of all, before we do anything, I want to show you the room view. This is amazing. So we're on the 8th floor. We asked for a park view room, and you can literally see everything. We must be fairly central, I reckon, up here. Such a good view. You can see Stardust. You can see the Mario Land. All the way over there is Isle of Berk. You can even, if you come through like this window, I'm guessing we haven't been in there yet, but that looks like the magic, like the Harry Potter section, the Ministry, which we're looking for later. But no, this is actually fantastic. There's Dark Universe. We've had such a lovely morning. The park is amazing. It's really, really hot though. Not much shades. We have come back to the hotel room to cool down, and let's show you around the room. So we do get like a couple of little seats by the window and like a little couch so you can enjoy the view, sit and chill. 2 double beds, which Alfie looks like he's claimed one already. Nice little desk there, a little lamp, so if you have got any work or anything you need to sit and do, it's a good place to start. Danny's just pumped up the aircon.
Full speed and 70.
Full speed and 70. Really nice big TV. You do get some like drawer space here and stuff if you do need to unpack or put anything in. We're not exactly going to do much unpacking because we're only here for one night, but it's great that you get a little mini fridge there as well, which we filled with our drinks this morning. Little coffee maker, so you can do like tea or coffee in the morning. It's actually really lovely. It's really clean, still feels really new, really fresh. That's true, it is new. So this is the
ironing board.
Yeah, ironing board, spare pillows, some space to hang some clothing, little luggage rack, safe, which is great because then we can put any extra cash or passports or anything you need to bring in there. Nice bathroom. Couple of drawers full of like your amenities. What's in this one? And space to unpack. Love the mirrors where they do like a light up on it. Really nice big mirror for getting ready. Everything is very clean, really nice. Nice shower. I've heard the toiletries here are supposed to be really nice as well, so we'll try them when we freshen up later too. Yeah, I think this is going to be a really nice stay. It's only for the night. It is a bit of a treat.
We're on the iPad.
Fantastic. So what does the iPad do? I don't think anyone reads the instructions. Everyone just clicks agree and close, don't they? And then you figure it out yourself. So yes, there is a tablet right next to the bed. And while you're figuring out how to use this tablet, which has done something to the TV, there is lots of charging ports of a few different varieties next to the bed, which is great. So you've got stuff like your USB, your American style plugs, and your USB-C by the looks of it. Can you turn the bath on from the tablet? I hope so, that would be amazing.
Go to the bath.
Go to the bath, let's go to the bath. Report, Alice, report. Is the bath on?
Right, it might be a light.
It's not.
Yeah, the bath's definitely not running.
It's a light.
It's the light. Woo, darkness. There you go, Danny can turn the light off and you're peeing now. Excellent. So let's see.
Please rotate round.
Rotate round. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, the suitcase ruined it. I would cut and do take 2, but we're not very planned with this. Right, let's try this again. Wheel the suitcase out the way. Continue. So you can lie in bed in the morning, reveal back the curtain to reveal Epic Universe. Oh no. Danny's struggling with this. There we go. We're moving. You can tell we don't practice this, can't you? Lovely. It is very dark actually, and can confirm they're generally very good blackout curtains. So yes, this would be then the morning reveal of Epic. That must be lovely in the morning.
Where's the other one though?
Good point. Can you open the other one?
Open all curtains.
It's not voice activated. If you shout at it, it makes it work. No, but it's actually really cool that they do that. So there must be a lot of features on the tablet that you can use.
What's a bed sconce?
I'm sorry, a bed sconce. Are you reading the word correctly? The light came on then. Oh, and the light just in the hallway came on when you clicked that one. I promise you did finish school. Vanity is usually like your little like bathroom stations and stuff like that. Mirror on? Ah, light on.
Reading left bed.
Yay, came on.
Reading right bed.
Alfie's came on. Excellent. He's going to be playing with this tablet now for the next half an hour. There's just going to be lights going on and off everywhere. So we can confirm the Helios is a lovely stay. Very fun house. The staff are really friendly and helpful, and the rooms are still clean. Plenty of space in here. Now this is probably the rough part. Now they don't include express passes to the park, but they do obviously include early entry. But we did pay roughly £600 or $600 for this room. It is a park view, and obviously there is 3 of us staying there. But you know, it was a bit of a special treat for us this trip. It was definitely something I think we needed to do, well, for all of us really, but especially having my mum and dad with the heat and stuff like that in August. It is very intense, and we've seen lots online about, like I said, the fact that the park is brilliant, but there's just not enough shade and spots to go. I have seen they've put a couple of cooling sections in where they've got like some really big air conditioning fans, and I think that's a great idea because then at least you can go and just have that temporary cool off. And we always advise just popping into shops and, you know, having a look around, using the aircon, making sure you're cooling off, drinking plenty. We've used our refillable cups at the freestyle machine like several times today. It was well worth it. Cost us roughly, what was it, about $10 or $11 for the refill?
What? For the drink?
Yeah, for the drinks cup.
Yeah, I paid $20 odd, but that does both days.
So $22 say for 2 days of full refills, and we will definitely make the most of that because we've already refilled it half a dozen times, if not more, today. But yeah, what a beautiful park view. So we're going to chill out in the room for a bit now. It's really nice and cool in here. We're all going to freshen up, and then we're going to kind of regroup with my mum and dad this afternoon and go back into the park.
Is that where they're planning on building a new land?
Oh, maybe. There is rumours, isn't there, of what they're going to do with some of the empty kind of spaces between the lands, so possibly. I tell you what though, I am so glad we did make the most of early entry. Looking at the ride queues at the moment, everything is chocker. Like 90 minutes and over for most rides, so this time of day is definitely the busiest. We're going to hold out, probably go back into the park maybe about 4:30ish and see if it's like quietened off a little bit and try and get 1 or 2 more bits done. But in all honesty, we've done a lot this morning. Possibly more than we thought we were even gonna.
Yeah, we never thought we would have got 4 rides done by 10 o'clock.
No, and like I said, I know Meeting Toothless was a super long queue, but we were so looking forward to that. If we have any footage, I will insert it here, and you can have a look at what we've got. We did try and get my dad to have a quick film while we were Meeting Toothless ourselves, but we haven't checked to see what he's got yet. We did treat ourselves to a cute picture from Meeting Toothless. We did get several as well on the phone. The cast members are really good and they take loads while you're doing it for you. Al, show us what merch you got before we go.
Got a hat.
Yep.
Toothless cup.
Obviously you got to have a Toothless cup. Hat and cup.
And Universal Epic Universe.
Epic Universe vest. And how much did all that come to?
About $70.
About $70. So Alfie's been saving some money, so he's got his own little dollars to treat himself with as well as spending Danny's money.
Like you.
Do you know what you're talking about?
His mother's son.
He is his mother's son. I also got my Epic Universe, oh, if I can bring it back here, Epic Universe lanyard and pass holder, my hotel pass and annual pass, and they came to $22 with annual pass discount as well. I have noticed a good annual pass discount on the food here actually. It's been 20% today. Don't know whether that's normal or just... I wasn't sure if it was 10 or 20%, but either way, it was really good that they did the discount still. And we did the mobile ordering, which is actually really easy to do. And I would definitely recommend it on hot days like this, so then you're not queuing up just to place an order and then queuing up again or whatever for collection as well. So that was nice and easy. But yeah, we're going to enjoy our room, enjoy our aircon, sit down, chill out, and catch you later.